Winter, a quiet you don't find any other time of year. The world slows down and everything becomes still. Snow falls soft and steady, covering everything like a fresh start. The air is crisp and clean, but sharp enough in a way that it wakes you up. For most, it's a season of festivities and the making of memories. For others, it's a time of focus and preparing for what lies ahead. And it's for these reasons that's why they love it. But if you're a drone pilot, winter is a different story. Batteries don't last, fingertips so cold they go numb. And the wind, well, that's a different story for another day. The cold takes everything from you faster than you expect. You see, out here, winter isn't peaceful, it's unforgiving. And when that day finally comes that you can get out there and up into the air and feel free, there's always something that goes wrong. And when it does, it's nice to make sure you have the right tool for the job. And hopefully, that tool is
Hey
with
everyone,
you.
welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Before I get too far ahead of myself, I just want to say a little disclaimer. One, I am a small little piece of sand in the YouTube verse of a channel. I think at this time I have like 30, 35 subscribers, and I appreciate all of you. And I think probably out of the 35, 37 may be family. I don't know. Just kidding. But anyway, so I'm that small. Like nobody sends me shit. Uh, no manufacturer, no parts people, no nothing. Anything that I talk about or show or fly or this and that on this channel is because it's something that I have purchased with my own money. It's something that I need or I think I may need, or there's just some type of attraction to it. I have caught the FPB bug really bad. Um, Not really bad. Like I don't need an intervention, but um, I like this hobby and I'm enjoying myself. So with that said, I want to talk to you a little bit about the Speedy Bee Adapter 3. Now, I think I may have done one early on in my YouTube thing. I'm not 100% sure, but um, I have used this a lot, and a few times it has saved my day where I went out to a field and did something or somehow screwed something up, which is most likely the cause of everything that happens. Um, and if it weren't for having this and be able to connect to my flight controller on whatever it is I'm flying, now non DJI stuff is what I'm talking about. DJI is a whole nother animal. But if you're flying FPV drones from the big manufacturers, Flywoo, Beta FPV, GetRC, Deep Space, like all of those kind of drones, like, and you have a flight controller that you connect to Betaflight, this is nice. You don't have to bring your laptop with you because it's easy, right? You got this little dongle. You got one end goes into your whichever end, whatever depends on your flight controller. One end goes into the flight controller. One end comes back to this little adapter. XT30 or XT60, 1S to 6S, it doesn't matter. The other thing that you need is you need to make sure you have the Speedy Bee app, which I should have had open up so I could show you, but I'm always underprepared for these things. So go to your phone. I don't know about Android if any of that stuff works. I don't do Android, but I know on all the Apple stuff, MacBook, iPad, iPhone, it all works. Go to your drone shit folder. Pick the one with the B in it. You see that right there with the B? I'm gonna try and do this backwards. There you go. It opens up. Now these are the three Speedy Bee apps that I have that have built-in Bluetooth, so I don't have to use this. But if you don't, you want this one. It's not going to connect because it's right here and not attached to anything. But that's the process. And let me tell you, if the flight controller connects to Betaflight, it's the same thing. It's the same exact thing except the mobile version. And honestly, I never tested it, but I don't know if I could go onto the net and go to Betaflight webpage and make it work. I don't know. But this is super easy, super easy. And so in this video that you just got done watching, I was going out. I had a short window, a 30-minute window to go out, and I wanted to, on the first kind of nice day that I've had here in my area. So I was itching to go fly and test the GPS rescue on the Seeker 35. So I had at home made sure everything looked good. Everything looked good as everything usually does, right? But then I get there, I plug it in, I wait for the GPS satellite beep, and I go and I look through the goggles. I have no beta flight information. Can't see the satellites, battery voltage, nothing, nothing, nothing is on there. Now it's still armed, and I still did a quick flight because I wanted to see, which was maybe the right choice, maybe not, I don't know. But came back, landed, and if it wasn't for this, and I was able to connect to Betaflight via the Speedy Bee app, I found that UART 4 somehow got shut off, and so UART 4 controlled that information on my goggles. Flipped it on, save or boot, boom, ready to go, and then you can see that flight there. So I'm passing this on to maybe some of you new people that are seeing it, maybe some of you um, experts that have been around here for a long time, and you use this. You know what I'm talking about. It's a lifesaver. I mean, the last thing you want is to be caught in the field with your props off, right? The downfall to this, you can't buy it off the Speedy Bee website. They don't ship anything to the United States. So, AliExpress. You may be able to go to Banggood, but I don't bang. I just Ali. So, um, it cheap money. I think it was 25, maybe $20 when I bought it 18 months ago. Prices have changed on everything for U.S. market. So I don't know what it is now, but this is like your flat tire fixer that sits underneath the back seat or in the trunk of your car for the day that you may or may not need it. I use this in the flat tire fixer quite often. So, Speedy Bee Adapter 3, check it out. And here's the video. And another thing, I'm trying to, which is why I was testing the GPS rescue, is I'm trying to eliminate that bouncing that the drone does. So GPS rescue comes on, it goes up to its height that it's designated, it spins around to head towards whatever direction it's going to, and then it gets there, and then it like spins around again, and as it tries to either hover and slowly descend, it does this bouncing thing. Now you can see it in the goggles. You can hear it because it's pretty loud with the props. Go woof 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 woof, woof, right? Bad sound effects. Bad, bad, bad. Um, but squirrel. But it makes this bouncing. But you can't see. You see it in your goggles, but on camera, the recorded part, like you don't see it at all. So if someone knows how to fix that, it's just kind of annoying. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. Like, I don't ever land with it anyway. It's just it brings it back in case you lose reception or something, transmission, all that good stuff, right? Like, I don't know. I don't remember all the technical wordage here, but if you get disconnected from you to the drone, it's supposed to kick in automatically and bring the drone back. Well, when it comes close enough and you can regain connection to it, you should take over of the drone again. It's not DJI. It's not going to come down and land nice and soft. It's not going to go under a gazebo or a bunch of trees or any of that, right? So when it comes back, make sure you take control of it and then spin it around and go fly again if you still have battery left or whatever, or whatever it is that you do. So, Speedy Bee Adapter 3, check it out. It's that little tool. Again, I'm not an influencer or anything, and I'm not even telling you to buy it. I'm just telling you this is a good piece of safety equipment. It's just a good, underrated, not really talked about tool that should be in your little toolkit, right next to your spare props and your little prop, you know, uh, screwdriver, whatever, sit right in there. Thanks for coming by. Here's the video. I'll see you on the next one.